subscribe and join the HOHO family.
Why? Why? Oh no, you look so fierce now. Sorry. Sorry. Okay, you gotta go back to sleep. I just showered him, so he's very fragrant. Blow dried his fur as well. Good night.
Beauty!
Oh my god, look at you.
What happened to your ears? What do you do?
Yeah, he looks so goody. What do you
What naughty
do?
things do you do? Look at mama. You brush your mama. Go back.
What are you doing? Hmm? What happened to your ears?
What naughty things do you do? What happened to your ears? Hey, how can you come on? What happened to your? What naughty things do you do? Why you see until so guilty? Why do you see such a guilty manner?
Oh, then he listened here.
Ah,
Ayah.
ayah, ayah. You don't have.
He's like...
You look like that. Chicken jerk.
Too many notifications, guys. Huge bag over here. Someone's here to disturb his daddy in a small corner. Trying to beg for some food. Hiya, Yuki.
What are you begging a
Why are you
baby?
going round and around? You're funny.
It's here.
Yeah, don't disturb your daddy.
Not
You're
yet.
so cute.
That's 25 more minutes. 25 more minutes.
Cute.
Just found out that my blood, the bleeding has, the blood has become black. 3 days already since I've been bleeding, which I've been trying to monitor with medication just to see whether the bleeding will stop. However, it's already my 10th time for the whole day today that I'm bleeding, and the blood has turned from bright red to dark red. The bowl is just looked like black, so it's quite worrying, and I think I'm just gonna wait to see if I'm gonna bleed another 2 more times before I decide whether to go to the hospital or not, because I really don't want to go to the hospital. It's been so many times already, and I originally also planned to head to work next week if I get cleared by the doctor. So things are not going really well once again. Just trying to take things one step at a time.
I'm just packing my things for the hospital in case I need to go to the hospital. Vicky, mommy, we need to go hospital. You know? You know?
Currently, I'm not feeling giddy. I'm just feeling a bit weak, but I don't feel lightheaded or giddy. Just having some cramps as well. But other than that, so far, I do think it's alright. Just that the bleeding has changed colour, so I'm a bit worried. It might be better to get tested if I'm still trying to bleed that dark of a colour.
So sweet. Show consent for your mommy. Thank you.
So I'm in my dark room right now, just resting a bit because I just felt a little bit unwell. My heart is racing a bit higher now, so could be because of the loss of blood or what, I'm not sure, but I'm just resting, and I'm not really keen to go to the hospital at this point. So just resting, and hopefully the bleeding will stop and things will go back to normal.
packing my things again because I've decided that I should just go to the hospital. It's been 4 days and I'm still bleeding despite taking medication. The cramp's getting a bit bad also, so I guess it's better to just get it checked out.
Looking very unglam with my specs and all. So we're just gonna go to another hospital which is nearer to my house. So I've already tried like 2 hospitals and I'm going to another one. We'll see how things go. My pregnancy hospital bag. Just took all my meds for the bowel prep. Tomorrow gonna do the colonoscopy and endoscopy.